Hi friends, welcome to MaxNote channel. Today also number system problem 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc plus 19 in கூட்டுத்தொகை என்ன some of these values. In this problem you see that these are all the odd numbers. So odd numbers we have used this formula sum equal to n square. Here what is the n value? Last number. Is it last number? N is no. N is not a last number. N has a separate formula n equal to l plus 1 by 2. This for odd number series 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 to 19. These are all odd numbers, so n equal to last number plus 1 divided by 2. So what is the last number here? 19. 19 is the last number, so 19 plus 1 divided by 2. So 19 plus 1 is 20 by 2. So 20 by 2 is 10. So n is equal to 10. Sum is equal to n square, n equal to 10. So 10 square is the answer. Sum equal to 100. That is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. plus 19 equal to n square. N value is 10. So 10 square equal to 100. This is the answer. Next problem also number system 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc plus 10 cube. You see here this series is cubic series. So this has a formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole cube, whole square. What is the n value is here? 10. So 10 into 10 plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. 10 into 11 by 2 square. We can cancel 2 by 10 5 times. So 5 into 11 whole square. 5 into 11 55 square. So 55 into 55 equal to 3025. This problem 3025 is the answer. Cubic series for the natural numbers formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. Thank you friends.